Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage T, the beach. The beach seemed to stretch away forever into the distance. The sand was white, and the water that lapped against their feet was blue and calm. Unfortunately for the couple, they had just noticed in the distance 3 tall and rather ominous-looking figures. They seemed to be getting closer, although the bright sun made it hard to tell. Just as the holiday makers started to realize the danger, the 3 figures raised bows into the air and fired arrows towards them. The man and woman jumped onto their jet ski and raced away. They promised themselves they would never explore a deserted island again. Questions. Describe the sea. What did the ominous-looking figures do? What is meant by the word raced as it is used in the text? Why didn't the holiday makers realize the danger sooner? Had they expected there to be people on the island? Now let's check the answers. Describe the sea. The sea was blue and calm. What did the ominous-looking figures do? They raised their bows into the air and fired arrows. What is meant by the word raced as it is used in the text? In this text, raced means sped, left fast, or departed quickly. Why didn't the holiday makers realize the danger sooner? We could say because they were focused on the beach and their adventure, or perhaps because they were enjoying themselves. Had they expected there to be people on the island? How do you know that? No, because they promised themselves they would never explore a deserted island again. Why could the couple not tell if the 3 figures were getting closer? The bright sun made it hard to tell. Thank you for your time. How did you go?